Dive into a world of boundless fun with Big Thunder Events, your go-to source for bounce house rentals in vibrant Nashville, Tennessee. Get ready to elevate your event with our dynamic and colorful inflatable options, setting the stage for an unforgettable event. At Big Thunder, we specialize in turning ordinary gatherings into extraordinary experiences, and our bounce house rentals are the perfect catalyst for joy. Are you planning a birthday bash, corporate event, or neighborhood block party? Look no further. Our Nashville, Tennessee, bounce house rentals are the secret ingredient to a laughter-filled occasion. Whether you're organizing a small family get-together or a large-scale event, our diverse range of bounce houses ensures something for every occasion. Experience the ease of planning with Big Thunder Events as we take care of every detail, leaving you free to enjoy the thrill and magic of your celebration. Dial 866-246-5867 now to connect with our enthusiastic team of event experts. Let us guide you through our extensive range of bounce houses, ensuring your event is the talk of the town. Curious about our customer experiences? Dive into our testimonials on the website, where clients rave about the joy our bounce house rentals brought to their events. Visit www.bigthunder.com/category/bounce_house_rentals to explore our diverse collection and find the perfect inflatable that matches the spirit of your celebration. At Big Thunder, we understand that safety is paramount. Rest assured, our bounce houses undergo rigorous inspections and sanitization to guarantee a worry-free experience for everyone. Unleash the excitement at your next gathering with Big Thunder Events. Our bounce house rentals promise a unique blend of thrill and entertainment for all ages. Don't settle for the ordinary. Choose Big Thunder Events for an extraordinary bounce house experience with your guests talking long after the celebration ends. Choose Big Thunder Events to transform your event into a bouncing adventure where laughter echoes and memories are made. Let's make your celebration extraordinary.